मुख्यमंत्री मोहन यादव आज पश्चिम बंगाल के दौरे पर हैं। कोलकाता में ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर्स समिट में वो शामिल हो रहे हैं। आइए सीधा रुख करते हैं।
The seventh consecutive successful, the cleanest city of the country, and when I say Indore, it is indoor. It is always going to be in the position. If we talk about it, we have more than 1,000 IT companies alone in Indore, with 1 million built up area, 20 billion of exports, 45 plus domestic flights, and tech incubation centers of 7. And with IIT and IIM in Indore, it makes very, very good sense for people to come. In fact, the space technology emergence is happening from Indore, because the only IIT which offers a space technology program is IIT Indore, and that is why you would see a lot of startups coming in Indore for doing this kind, and we have pharmaceuticals and manufacturing. When you talk about this, the people say that the diversity is the key for IT industry to be successful, and there are multiple reports. Deloitte came out with that report and said that diversity is the key. You talk about this, we enjoy Dhumuchi, we enjoy Garba, we enjoy Kathak, because we have the cosmopolitan culture coming from all across, and people are settled there. If you talk about the buzzing environment, the food, you would have a mix of, you would have a Rasgulla, you would have a Mishti Doi, you would also have multiple other cuisines that you would have into this part of the country. And an excellent social infrastructure, which makes it very, very attractive destination for anybody to come. Here are some of the glimpses for the parks that we have developed. They are all housed, and here are the people who have invested in Madhya Pradesh, and you would hear the stories as to how beautifully the state has been curated to welcome industry. And here is our Chief Minister welcoming you all with an open hand to come forward and be a partner in the journey of a growth of India, of a growth of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you once again, be a part of this journey. And I say always, Madhya Pradesh mein jo aaya so wapas aaya. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time that we move on to the micro, small and medium enterprises sector. You got me right, I'm talking about the MSME sector, which is considered the engine for socio-economic growth in our country and is fast emerging as a vibrant and dynamic sector, providing the largest share of employment after the primary sectors. And to enlighten us on that, ladies and gentlemen, I would request Mr. Navneet Mohan Kothari, Dr. Navneet Mohan Kothari, Secretary, Department of MSME, to kindly enlighten us. Welcome, sir.
एमपी में शीतकालीन हड़ताल पर हैं।